Hello guys, this is a quick video on how to install a portable Carplay and a backup camera on this Toyota Tundra. This is the screen. You can put it on the dash or you can put it on the windshield. And I just made a hole and put a rubber grommet, and I ran the cables behind the dash. So I ran the power cable from that side, and for the backup camera I ran the cable behind the dash and through here. I made a hole there and put a rubber grommet and ran the wire through it, and on the other side there is already a rubber grommet, and I just ran the wire through that rubber grommet, and then zip tie the cable along the factory wiring or any other cables and run it and bring the wire here, and then I install this backup camera there. And for the backup trigger wire, I connect it to the backup lamp. It's the bottom one, and the positive 12 volt is the red wire. To remove this light assembly, it's held by two Torx screws. Remove these and then just pull it outwards, and then just install the camera there and put all the excess wire behind it. Now we will check the backup camera. As you can see, the quality is really good and it's a wide angle, and this screen has a built-in Android Auto and CarPlay. Thank you for watching the video.